Ray Laraman Shala Michael makuei luɛth kakui yiɛn dana sha yiɛn riek machar which ka Juba ki ka South Sudan chanam tora meling bana jakul nyok me bana jalan nyok thoknath men chalar men jaling gwadame.
On the issue of surrounding of the house of Riek, why are you asking me, Ma'am Shufu? You are a journalist, you are supposed to go there and see for yourself. Don't listen to rumors. Go there, see for yourself. If it is surrounded, you will see it. If it is not, you will see it. Why are you asking me and you don't want to go there? But this is your work as journalists. When you hear any news, you verify them by going to the site. Is it difficult for you to go to House of Riek? It is not difficult because the road is open.
You just need confirmation from U.S. government?
No, not confirmation. You go and confirm yourself. You can leave us from here now, go and see for yourself. Does it need any confirmation?
Official confirmation?
No. What do you mean by official confirmation? Will it be more official than you seeing? Well, definitely collapse.
Roger Lingian mo Michael makuei luɛth charge tijen ujin riek machar man wa sha dhɔɔrɛ sha jagol deni sha jong na ngum sha wa bia jogich me tok wala she tok ka riek machar cha jagol deni sha mai ngai kone gwa chana ben gwa same kala dan ko ling gwa same shirka me ngai yana Roger dana shalat gwa same ka kui kore shitore wish kanasar kam deni jane ki deni SSPDF tin pinkir mayadit kan jeshen bor la jesh ngane Nuer in kon bombom tin chare alga ko be kan Nuer be kan gang Roger dana inshallah ken ngo ken nishi ka rach ka Dr. Yang Machar ko bawudan dan en la general Michel ma jurdak men shiro da gakre ulida kanasir Kennedy ni ka dangwell kel chalado iwa bajanang kerenial kalar gejen o shajanang ajen kuin men turun menen yen me trenial dangro tinantam renial meni renial UN UN la United Nation kene ko rodi real ko no bikan wud mo bikan won kan re week we are due kanasir bikan nang ka malakal baje ko nang ka juba ka dobran chalat kejen gwadame ala wudame jen charo da taw ka wulit ala wulit la nya gurgur men jen charo da taw kel ken deni dangwel kel wa jel kan kamach wa kan cha pale winmi ko dongde bot kanak ko de ga kula jek ejen bor dulo shaken chicken yat chi cha kume dung espele mayo cha je treten ngano lonye wudamo ajen wani ke jeshen bor ke wayami ko bike wud mo bikene jako bajanang aji wen bajanang ka kamala kal ko dobra ni kene lat ke je wachi Dr. Machar chu rach kene de kontin ki ramadan la kur wayami ka sha wud mo sha je evacuate lo cha janang kene je ni ka dang welkel gwad me beje kwen ye ka dobra ni shalat ke je ka tuk english ken gorjen o bielin ka dobra ni kan lat ke je nearly 40 soldiers from the South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF, including their commander, are said to be evacuated from the town of Nasser following intense fighting with a local militia known as the Y Army. The decision to withdraw the troop come after a clash on Tuesday, during which the Y Army, a loosely organized group of predominantly Nuer youths, overran the town and seized control of its military barracks. Pogbut Balwang, the press secretary for First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, also confirmed the evacuation, describing as an effort to de-escalate tension in the country. The Y Army overran the military barrack after fighting with the SSPDF on Tuesday, Mr. Pok said. The remaining soldiers are taking over inside armor, vehicle and tank. He added that an agreement had been reached between General Major Manyok, the SSPDF commander in Nasser, local officials said, and Y Army leader to allow United Nations aircraft to airlift the stranded soldiers. The initiative is being spearheaded by the first Vice President, Dr. Yang Machar, to evacuate the SSPDF soldiers who are stranded in the Nasser UNIMIS. In Nasser, UNIMIS plan will carry about 19 people per trip, but the total number of soldiers to be evacuated could reach 40 men. Mr. Pok said priority will be given to the wounded. The evacuation from Nasser to Malakal and then to Juba is expected to take place in Banj, with the first flight scheduled for Wednesday evening. SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lure Kong could not immediately be reached for comment. The fighting in Nasser, a strategic town near the Ethiopian border, underscore the fragility of South Sudanese peace process. The Y Army, which has played a significant role in past conflict, is known for its involvement in ethnic violence and opposition to government forces. Tension in the area of Nasser escalated after the government announced plan to replace long-standing troops with new forces. Local army youths have expressed concern that the incoming troop might target civilians or initiate a disarmament campaign. The community has rejected the deployment, calling instead for a unified force to be sent to the area. Civil society activist Edmund Yakane urged all parties to the peace agreement to work toward calming the situation, warning that the delay could lead to further escalation. The military incidents in part of the country are deeply concerning, Mr. Yakane said. We urge the White Army leader in Nasser to embrace peace and refrain from violence. Dialogue should be used to address grievances related to the presence of the SSPDF in Nasser. South Sudan has struggled to fully integrate its various army groups into a single national army, a key provision of the 2018 peace agreement that ended a 5-year civil war. Although the country has been formally at peace since the agreement, political tension remains high as South Sudan prepares for its first post-independent election is scheduled for December 2026.